Key skill 5, which is one root, or sometimes they call it equal roots or repeated roots. Nearly at the end, so let's go really fast. Find the value of k for which the equation has equal roots. Always, any roots questions, you're writing down a in front of x squared, b in front of the x, or the coefficient if you want to use the proper words, and c is the lone ranger. So write your formula. Now it's changing a little bit now. It's still b squared minus 4ac, the discriminant, but for equal roots or repeated roots or one root, it's equal to 0. So you're just going to substitute everything in. 2k plus 3, 2k plus 3, minus 4 times a is k, times c is k, equals to 0. So let's get this multiplied out. 4k squared, wait, didn't quite reach. 2k times 3 plus 6k. 3 times 2k, again 6k. 3 times 3 is 9. Oh, it's plus 9. Minus 4 times k, 4k squared equals to 0. So 4k squared minus 4k squared, they're going to cancel out. 6k plus 6k is going to be 12k plus 9 equals to 0. Let's find k, bring the plus 9 over to the other side and change it to minus 9. Okay, so 12k, 0 minus 9, minus 9. K equals minus 9, and if it's times by 12, we'll bring it to the other side and divide by 12. We are nearly finished. We're just going to simplify that fraction down by dividing by 3. 3 goes into 9, 3 times. Come on, Mr. Adonit. 3 goes into 12, 4 times. So my final answer here is going to be minus 3 over 4. The team at Maths with Sophie have made a free ebook to go with this video series. We've broken the topic down into small, manageable sections. Each section has a video tutorial that you're already watching, interactive questions, and model solutions from exam questions. To claim your free ebook, you don't need to download anything, you don't need to sign up for anything. You simply click the link below and it will open in the web browser of your phone, tablet, or computer. If you enjoy using our free ebooks, make sure you check out our website because we have other ebooks on different topics.